Hey guys! I'm Easy, your friendly professional makeup artist. Welcome to my channel. As you can see, I created this holiday glam makeup look. Used this Vice Ganda and Clutz collaboration. So if you want to see what shades I used and how I did this look, then keep on watching. Please don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. So before I end this video, yes, I would like to say this, that this is my first monetized makeup tutorial. Thank you so much to all the people who helped me in achieving my first step in YouTube channel. Thank you for your support, guys. And again, this wouldn't be possible without you na tumulong at nag-support sa akin. I'm very, very grateful and thankful sa lahat ng support na ginawa ninyo. Thank you so much, guys. We made it. As what I said before on my old vlogs pa, if ever I get monetized, a portion of that I will be given to my chosen beneficiaries. Please continue to be with me on this journey. Umpisa lamang to ng aking YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or any suggestions about makeup, then just comment down below. So if you want to see more of my makeup lessons, then click here on this end screen right now. See you on the next one. God bless you. Bye!